In this section, we're going to take a look at references and borrowing. References allow us to make a reference to a value without taking ownership of it, aka we're borrowing the value. We have two types of references, shared and mutable. A shared reference is going to let you read but not modify whatever is being referenced to. You can have as many shared references to a particular value at a time as you desire. Mutable references, on the other hand, allow you to both read and modify the value. However, unlike a shared reference, you cannot have any other references of any sort to that value active at the same time. So let's take a look at this. So we'll start out by saying let s equal string from hello. And then we want to create a function called change string, and we want to take in some string of a reference to a string, and then we want to take some string and push something onto it. Okay. So here we want to say change a reference and then to s. So we make a reference by using the ampersand sign. So we can see we're already getting an error here, and it's telling us, hey, we need to make some string mutable. So the first thing we need to do is say let s be mutable, and then in here we need to make it known that it's going to be a mutable reference, and then down in here we got to do the same as well. So now all of our compiler errors are gone. So let's see what happens when we print it out. And so we're expecting s to come back and say hello world, which is exactly what happens. And we were able to do this because we added the mute keyword, so making it mutable, to the variable and inside the function argument. So after running cargo run, we were able to see that we changed the variable without ever taking ownership of the variable inside the function. Because if we didn't pass it by reference, then change string would have taken ownership of s, therefore s would not have been able to have been used here. So that is the power of references and borrowing in Rust, and it's a concept that we are going to use throughout the remainder of this course, so it's very important to understand this. In the next section, we're going to start taking a look at structs and lifetimes and continue building upon this idea of ownership, referencing, and borrowing.